Before we start drawing, we need to set our preferences and our settings for our XSheets and for the marking drawings. To do that, we're going to go to our preferences. The shortcut for our preferences is going to be Control and U in Windows and Command plus U on a Mac. We can also find those on a Mac under Harmony, Preferences. And the first preferences that we're going to go to is going to be the exposure sheet. Inside of the exposure sheet, we want to make sure that use current frame as drawing name is selected and that extend exposure of previous drawing is deselected. We're going to click OK. And now you will notice that for all of the frames that we have in our timeline, if we go to frame 10, that in the X sheet, we will have the number 10 to the left. So the X sheet and the time sheet will have the same frame number. Next, we're going to set up our marking drawings. These tools right here are going to help us mark our drawings as a key drawing, a breakdown, or as an in-between. The way that this works is that if you're doing a drawing, let's say on frame 1, and I'm just going to do a very simple shape right here. Notice that we have the pencil icon on the left. The drawing number is the same as the frame number, as you can see. And now I can mark this drawing as a key. We will get the letter K. B for breakdown, we will get the letter B. And if I select in between, we will get rid of the key or the breakdown. RK marks the drawing as a retake key. RB marks the drawing as a retake breakdown. And RI marks the drawing as a retake in between. If you do not see the marking drawings menu in the XSheet tab, what you have to do is move the cursor on the gray area and go right mouse button, mark drawings. You can also have the mark drawings right here by going right mouse button, mark drawings, and the mark drawings will move from the XSheet tab to the tool presets. If you want to bring them on top of the XSheets tab, go to this gray area right here, hold right mouse button and select mark drawings, and now the mark drawings will be available for you right here. And these are the preferences and settings that we need before we start drawing.